how to redeem Temu Referral code. Hello, everybody. If you guys would like to do so, you may follow up the steps. So, open up the Temu app on your device, and then once you open it up, log in into your account. And once you are logged in, you may head over the U tab in the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on it. Now, after you tap on it, your profile appears like this. So, what you may do is look out for the option called Coupons and Offers within your screen and tap on it and open up this section. So here, what you can do is basically tap on the section called Enter Coupon Code. This one right here in this designated field. You may just go ahead and provide up your Temu referral code that you're looking for. After that is done, you can just tap on Apply like this. And once that is done, you can head over and redeem the Temu referral code that you're looking for. And that is it. So you may just head over and follow up the steps. So head over and follow up the steps. If the code is valid and has not been used, it will be applied to your account and you can enjoy the associated discounts or rewards within your referral code on Temu. That's it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.